This is Google's no-notch Pixel 3 smartphone. It's the mini Pixel 2 XL we expected. Well, it was bound to happen. After several consecutive weeks of leaks spilled nearly every detail about its larger Pixel 3 XL counterpart. The first real-world photos of Google's Pixel 3 have been posted to the Pixel subreddit and republished by 9to5Google. And just as we had anticipated, the front of the phone looks like a mini Pixel 2 XL. There's no noise to be seen on this one. The phone also confirms stereo front-facing speakers and dual selfie cameras, and the same rear all-glass design as the Pixel 3 XL, with a matte coating covering a good portion of it. Today's leak reveals the 5.5-inch display will have a resolution of 2160x1080 and 2:1 aspect ratio. The battery capacity is said to be 2915 mAh. According to a screenshot that came from the phone, the two front-facing cameras are each 8-megapixel sensors. One has an aperture of f1.8, the other f2.2. It's believed that Google is taking these two cameras approach to allow for wide-angle shots and maybe more secure face authentication feature, but there is still no hard evidence of that. Somewhat interesting is that the dock at the bottom and has 7 apps in it, though we could just be looking at a third-party launcher. And yes, it definitely seems that the Pixel is moving to gesture navigation. I don't know about the rest of you Pixel fans out there, but I'm sold on this one. I just can't do that notch, and for right now I think I'm willing to trade some screen resolution and battery to avoid it. Google is expected to hold the Pixel 3 launch event on October 9th in the New York City. Aside from Google's own Project Fi, Verizon will reportedly remains the exclusive US carrier of both phones. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.